What's up, true believers? Here we go with the San Diego Comic-Con 2014 exclusive Marvel Legends, the Thanos Imperative 5-pack. It's a really cool pack with 5 awesome figures. There's Gladiator, Medusa, Blastar, Star-Lord, and Black Bolt. Here's a closer look at the Gladiator figure. And he stands a whopping 7¼ inches tall. Not going to go over articulation. If you collect Marvel Legends, you're already going to be familiar with the super articulation on these guys. They are very well articulated. Give you a quick 360 of the figure though, so you get a good idea of all the detail on this one. Paint-ups are really nicely done. The cape here though, of course, it does hinder the articulation a little bit. But overall, Gladiator is definitely a gem in this pack. He's one of the reasons that this set is a total must-have. Next up is Marvel's Medusa. She stands nearly 6¾ inches tall. Again, not going to go over articulation. You should have a good idea of the articulation, but I will give you 360. Let's check out the detail in that hair. And while the hair doesn't hinder the head articulation all that much, it is solid, heavy plastic. It can make her ball joint on the head become loose. But worst of all, that heavy hair kind of makes it difficult to get her to stand up unless you have a figure stand. But overall, she is a really beautiful figure. Really nice details in the sculpt there. Paint apps are pretty good as well. Next up is Star-Lord. And he stands a little over 6½ inches tall. Give you guys a quick 360. This is another one that I feel is a bit of a gem in this set. The details and the sculpting on Star-Lord are really, really nice. Really good paint apps on this one as well. Plus, he's the only figure in this pack to come with some accessories. He has a pair of blasters right there. And of course, with all the Guardians of the Galaxy movie hype, you're going to want this figure. Really, really cool. And then over to Black Bolt. He stands less than 6½ inches tall, so he is the shortest of the bunch. But also still a really cool figure. So here's a 360. Give you a look at all that sculpted and painted detail on him. Definitely some unique sculpting on this one, as well as on the head sculpt. Not a whole lot of paint apps. It's mostly just in black with some silver and of course flash in the eyes, but still a pretty cool figure. And then finally we have Blastar. This guy is one huge chunk of plastic and he stands nearly 9 inches tall. I'm pretty sure the base body is based on some previous Build-A-Figures, but it looks unique enough. And again, he is just one huge hulking chunk of plastic, and he is really, really awesome. Great sculpted detail on the face and hair, all these accents, those bracelets, the belt, the spike thing right there, the knee pads and the boots, those all have a nice weathering effect on them. Of course, there's still all the great articulation. This Blastar is just really, really cool. Definite must-have. Overall, this whole set is a definite must-have if you collect Marvel Legends. If you can catch this on Hasbro Toy Shop, you're definitely going to want to get it. It's worth the price. These figures are really awesome. I'd highly recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.